Students, now next topic is converse of cyclic quadrilateral theorem. We studied cyclic quadrilateral theorem that opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. That means if the quadrilateral is cyclic, its opposite angles are supplementary. Now in converse statement, the given and to prove is interchange. So the converse statement is if a pair of opposite angles of a quadrilateral is supplementary, the quadrilateral is cyclic. Okay. So we have to prove this theorem. So here the quadrilateral is given. In this quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. So in given we can write in quadrilateral ABCD, opposite angles supplementary means angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. A and C are opposite angles. And second pair is angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Opposite angles are supplementary and we have to prove quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic. Followed given and to prove. Okay. Now student, we have to prove quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic. Means what we have to prove? That each vertex of this quadrilateral is on the circle. If the points are on the circle, they are called as concyclic points. If given points are on the circle, they are called as concyclic points. So we have to prove ABCD is cyclic quadrilateral. That means we have to prove all these 4 points are on the same circle. They are concyclic points. Okay. Now students, we will prove this using indirect method. Okay. We have to prove all the 4 points on the circle. Okay. But as we know that 3 points, 3 non-collinear points are always on the circle. Because in 9th standard you studied the construction that every triangle has its circumcircle. Circumcircle means what? The circle passes through all the 3 vertices of a triangle. Means 3 non-collinear points are always on the circle. We have to prove the 4th point is also on the circle. Then only we can say that this quadrilateral is cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. So we will prove it using indirect method. That 3 points are already concyclic. They are on the same circle. Okay. So let me decide point A, D and C. These 3 points are on the circle. Okay. And the remaining 4th point B. There are 3 possibilities for this point B. First possibility is the point is in the interior of the circle. Second possibility is the point is in the exterior of the circle. And third possibility is point B is on the circle. Okay. So we have to try to prove that these first 2 possibilities false. It is not possible. Then ultimately third possibility is true. That point B is on the circle. 3 points already we have concyclic. They are on the circle. And we got 4th point is also on the circle. Then we can say that ABCD is cyclic quadrilateral. Understood? So let us try the first possibility. First possibility is point B is in the interior of the circle. Okay. So let us extend this side AB. Extend this for side AB. Let it intersect the circle at point E. Extend side AB up to point E. It intersects the circle at point E and then draw segment EC. Follow the construction? Okay. Okay. Now we got here one triangle. Triangle BEC. Okay. Now quadrilateral AECD is cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. And according to this cyclic quadrilateral theorem, opposite angles are supplementary. Opposite angle is angle E plus angle D is supplementary. Angle E plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. We can write the reason opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral because point E is on the circle. So AECD is cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. But what is given here? Angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. It is given. This is our statement number 1 and this is our statement number 2. From 1 and 2 statement, right hand side is equal. So left hand side is also equal. Angle E plus angle B is equal to angle E plus angle D. Sorry. Angle E plus angle D is equal to angle B plus angle D. Both the side angle D gets cancelled. So angle E is equal to angle B. Now here angle E is equal to angle this B. These two angles we got equal. Now observe this figure. Angle B means angle A, B, C. This angle is exterior angle of triangle BEC. From figure you come to know. Angle ABC is exterior angle of triangle BEC. And here we got exterior angle is equal to remote interior angle. But in 9th standard we studied the theorem. Exterior of a triangle is always greater than remote interior angle. But angle B must be greater than angle E. And here we got both the angles equal. So due to this contradiction, what we assume and point B is in the interior of the circle, that assumption is wrong. So point B is not in the interior of the circle. First possibility we got false, wrong. Now let us try for the second possibility. That point B is in the exterior of the circle. Okay. Now here side AB intersect the circle at this point. So where it intersect the circle, give name for the point F. Okay. And draw segment CF. Draw segment CF. Now from figure you come to know that point A, D and C are already on the same circle. And here F is also on the circle. So we got cyclic quadrilateral. A, F, C, D. So according to cyclic quadrilateral theorem, angle AFC plus angle D. See, this angle AFC plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Okay. But what is given here? Angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. This is given. So from first and second statement, we can say angle AFC plus angle D is equal to angle B plus angle D. Angle D gets cancelled from both the sides. So we will get angle AFC is equal to angle B. Now again observe the figure. Angle AFC is exterior angle of triangle BFC. So again from the exterior angle theorem, angle AFC must be greater than angle B, because angle AFC is exterior angle of the triangle BFC and angle B is its remote interior angle. So according to exterior angle theorem, it must be greater than angle B. And what we got here? Angle AFC is equal to angle B. So again here the contradiction arises. So what we assume? Point B is in the exterior of the circle. That assumption is wrong. Point B is not in the exterior of the circle. We got first assumption wrong. B is in the interior of the circle is wrong. B is in the exterior of the circle. That assumption is also wrong. So the third possibility, B is on the circle. Point A, F, D, A, D, C are already on the circle. We got fourth point, B is also on the circle. So as all the four vertices are on the circle, quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic. So this way we proved converse of cyclic quadrilateral theorem by indirect method. If opposite angles of a quadrilateral is supplementary, then the quadrilateral is cyclic. Followed? Students, we proved converse of cyclic quadrilateral theorem. The statement of the theorem is, if the opposite angles of a quadrilateral are supplementary, then the quadrilateral is cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, that means all the four vertices of the quadrilateral are concyclic. Now we have one more condition for four non-collinear points are concyclic. Concyclic means all the points lies on the same circle. The condition for that concyclic points is, if two points on a given line subtend equal angles at two distinct points which lie on the same side of the line, then the 4 points are concyclic. So here the given part is, points B and C lie on the same side of the line AD. See, 2 points are already collinear points, they are on the same line. There are 2 more points which are on the same side of the line. So here point B and point C are on same side of line AD, such that angle ABD is congruent to angle ACD. These 2 points subtends congruent angle on the same side of the line. Okay. So we have to prove points A, B, C, D are concyclic. Concyclic means all the 4 points are lying on the same circle. Point A, B, C, D are concyclic. Okay. Now students, this theorem also we have to write using indirect method. As we know that every triangle has its circumcircle and triangle has 3 vertices. That means 3 non-collinear collinear points are always concyclic. Okay. So out of these 4 points, let me assume points A, B, D. These 3 points are on the same circle. We have to prove the 4th point C is also on the circle. Again we will consider there are 3 possibilities. First possibility is the point C is in the interior of the circle, or point C is in the exterior of the circle, or point C is on the circle. So we will try to prove that these 2 conditions are false. It is not in the interior of the circle, it is not in the exterior of the circle, then it is on the circle. Okay. So let us try to prove the first case false. That point C is in the interior of the circle. Let us extend segment AC up to point E such that this segment AC intersect the circle at point E. Means point E is on the circle. Okay. So here we have 2 angles. Angle A, B, D and angle A, E, D, which are inscribed in the same arc ABD. And we proved this corollary. If angles inscribed in the same arc, they are congruent. So here we will get angle ABD congruent to angle AED. Okay. And angle ABD congruent to angle ACD. It is given here. Angle ABD congruent to angle ACD. This is given. From this first and second statement, we can write angle AED congruent to angle ACD. Okay. Angle AED congruent to angle ACD. Now observe the figure. Angle ACD is exterior angle of triangle CED. See, angle ACD, this angle is exterior angle of triangle CED. So, according to exterior angle theorem, angle ACD must be greater than its remote interior angle. And here we got both the angles equal. So again here the contradiction arises due to assumption that point C is in the interior of the circle. So this assumption is wrong. Point C is not in the interior of the circle. Then let us try for the next condition. Maybe it will be in the exterior of the circle. Point C is in the exterior of the circle. So here segment AC intersect the circle at this point. So give name for this point F. Okay. Now here we have point B, A, D and F are on the same circle. So we got angles inscribed in the same arc. Here angle ABD congruent to angle AFD. You can write the reason. Angles inscribed in the same arc. But angle ABD is congruent to angle ACD. It is given. So according to this statement, which 2 angles we got congruent? Angle AFD is congruent to angle ACD. From these 2 statements we got angle AFD congruent to angle ACD. But angle AFD is exterior angle of triangle CFD. So by exterior angle theorem, angle AFD must be greater than angle ACD by exterior angle theorem. But we got here these two angles equal. Again the contradiction arises. Why? Because we assume point C is in the exterior of the circle. So this assumption is also false. So point C is not in the interior of the circle. Point C is not in the exterior of the circle. So ultimately third possibility is correct. That point C is on the circle. So A, B, D already on the circle. We got fourth point C is also on the circle. That means A, B, C, D, all the 4 points are concyclic. So this way we proved this theorem using indirect method. Followed? If 2 points subtends congruent angles on the same side of the segment, then all these 4 points are concyclic.